Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The question for today is score of parentheses. So, given a balanced parenthesis string S, we have to compute its score, and it's based on the following rule. That is, if this is the string, then the score of this is 1. The second thing we have given is AB has a score of A plus B, where A and B both are the balanced parenthesis string. For example, like suppose this is A and this is B. As we can see, they both are balanced. So the result of this should be 2. That is 1. That is the score of A plus score of B. As we know, the score of A is 1 and score of B is also 1. So the answer in this case is 2. Am I clear? Okay, so let's move to the third condition. And the third condition given to us here is that for this, if a balanced string is enclosed in two brackets, then the score is 2 into the score of balanced string. That is the 2 into score of A, where A is a balanced string. Okay, so for example, suppose like as we see here, like this is the case. Suppose this is the case. Let's believe this is a balanced string A. As we know, it's balanced. So the score of A will be 1 and the score of this complete will be 2 into score of A, that is 1, and the answer is 2. Am I clear at this point? Okay, so this is the question that has been given to us for today, and we are going to solve it. And before going to solve it, we will move towards its approach and see how we will code it down. Okay, one more thing given to us, it's that it contains only these characters. Okay, so either it will be an opening bracket or it will be an closing bracket. And also we can see the size is from size of S is from 2 to 50. So from 2 we can say that we don't have to apply a base case where the string S is empty or it contains an opening bracket. As in the question it's written, it's balanced, so obviously its size will be from 2 only. Okay, so these constraints are clear to you. Let's move towards the approach of this question. So this question reminds us of a very basic questions of a stack, where we have to given a string containing several opening and closing brackets, and we have to verify that is it a balanced string or not. So we will apply same approach here, but we will count and we will maintain a score in this case, and that will be our final answer, of course. And the result and the value of the score will be updated on the basis of the rules that were given to us here. Okay, so this score 1 and this and 3, the 3 rules that given to us will decide and update the value of score. So I think that's pretty much clear that we are going to solve this question with the help of stack, and we will just keep on pushing whenever we see an opening bracket, and we will be popping when we see a closing bracket. And likewise the value of a result, or what we can say a balance or the score that we have to return, will be updated on the basis of it. Okay, so here is an example. These are our rules that are given to us. Okay, and this is an example. This is our string S. Okay, so what we will be doing for this question approach will be that we will have a depth. Suppose that if we encounter this, we increase our depth to 1. Okay, but if we encounter this and simultaneously we encounter this, we will what do is we will do just pop out the last two values and compare that if it's a closing bracket, that is it's 2 multiplied by that, or is it a single bracket only, then what we will do is 1. If it's balanced before, then we will take the multiplying it to with the 2, what the value comes, or we will just take 1. Okay, so I think it would be more clear with this example if we started solving it. So initially, let's say our stack has 0 in it and we are at this position. Okay, now first what we do it is we encounter this. Okay, so after that the contents of the stack will be 0 0. As for this we will add 0 to the stack because we are moving at another level. Okay, I think it's wrong here, it should be this, so that's why it's balanced. Yeah, okay, so after that when again we encounter this, the contents of the stack will be 0 0 0 for this. Okay, so now we are at here. Now when we encounter this, what we will be doing is we just pop these two values in the variables. Let's say w equals to the value at top and w equals to value at top minus 1. And what we will be doing is we will be adding w plus maximum of, because I say either it is 2 into v, because for this case, or it will be a 1. So maximum of what we get here will be the answer. Okay, so it's 0 only, so what will we get is 0, and these two will combine 0 plus 1, that will be the our answer. Okay, at this. Okay, so let's move to the next page, and our contents of are 0 1, and we have encountered this, and the string was this and 1 2 3. So we are completed till here. Okay, so now what we are getting is one more that, so we add 0 for it. So we are at, now we are at, wait a second, now we have at this position. Okay, again it is same, so I'll be doing a little bit faster. So again this, and as you can see we are at position here. Now our algorithm begins at 0 1, and when we encounter this, that is at this a closing bracket, what we do is we just pop the two value, and it will be like again 1 will be added. So this will be the answer after this. Okay, so let's move here, and okay, so our string is like we have till this, so we have traveled till here, and now two that we have. Okay, so two that we have, so 1 2 are left. Okay, now again we encounter this, we just pop these two values, and the answer will be 1 plus 2 maximum of 2 comma 2 into 1 comma 1. So what is the maximum? Maximum is 2, so 3 will be what that will be pushed 0 3 after this, and now we are at last, and what we'll do is we pop again these two things, and so it will be 0 plus 2 into 3 comma 1 maximum of these two, so the answer will be 6. Okay, so the score of this will be 6, and it's important to know that only one value will remain at the end of the stack because it's a balanced string. Okay, had it not been balanced, so we can have any more values, and by the size of the stack we can say that this string is not balanced or anything like that. But since it is a balanced string, so this is our final answer. So this is the reason why we added 1 0 in the beginning. Okay, so this is our final answer. Let's move towards the code of this question, and the approach, I think it's clear to basically to everyone. So the complexity I'm tell you is that the running complexity will be because we are traversing to the whole string, that is this and this. So it will be O of n, and since we are storing every element in the stack and their corresponding value, so the space complexity of this will be O of n as well. Okay, now let's move to code of this code. As you can see, I have taken a stack here, and I have initially pushed 0 to it, so that our final answer will be also stored here. And then I have applied a for each loop here for every value, for every character in the string. So we know that there are only two values, either this will come or this will come. So if else condition, likewise I have put it here. So hope this is clear as well. Okay, so now if it's this, then we push 0 to the stack, or else what we know is that we'll get only this, that is the closing bracket. So what we'll do is we just pop the last two value, that is the top and top minus 1, and we apply our formula and we push the result back to the stack. At the end of this loop, what we have in the stack will be a single value, and that will be our answer, 6 in the case that we discussed over there, and that we will be returning it. Okay, so now let's run it. So yeah, so it's submitted. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.